Hi! In front of me is REALME 9 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can use pop-up view on this REALME. You need to begin by opening one of your apps that you wish to use in this view. I will go with Play Store. Now access background apps. If you are using Tricky's navigation, you can do that by tapping on this button with 3 lines. Then click on those 2 dots at the top right corner of your app and select Floating Window. Then tap on this tiny one. As you can see now, I can use my Play Store in pop-up view. If you wish to go back to tiny window, click on Home button. Then access your app by tapping on it. You can always move it around by holding this line at the top and dragging it. Then let go. If you wish to use it overlay the other app, access the other one and operate in both. If you wish to use your app on full screen, click on this button at the top left corner. If you wish to close it though, you can click on the top right one, or simply swipe your app in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!